guys, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest, newest potential gems in the crypto space. It could be ranging from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. If the project has some potential, it's making some waves. You see popping up on Dex tools, you see people tweeting about it, I'll be checking it out on the channel, okay? In this video, we're going to be checking out Kingdom Carnage, which is an NFT trading game. Also, you know, a token as well, crypto project, right? So we're gonna dive into it. I already like what I see with the little characters and stuff like that. I really want to see Gamefi, metaverse, trading card games, FPSs, just Gamefi in general explode. So anytime I check out a new Gamefi project on the channel, these are the ones that really pique my interest, right? Because I really think the mass adoption for crypto will start with the video games. It's what the kids want, right? Kids like video games, and kids are the ones that consume so much of content. It could be from movies to, you know, it could be from movies to social media platforms, YouTube, you name it. Majority of the users are kids, right? So, you know, whenever Gamefi explodes, that mass adoption takes place, and we could onboard, you know, we could onboard more and more. We could have great games that release, great games that come out that release, and then we onboard more and more people into crypto that are into video games. I think it would be nothing but special for the space. My apologies for you know, vehicles that are passing in the background, guys. Just having a bit of a monologue right now. My apologies. But yeah, before we dive into Kingdom Carnage, always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. Always manage your risk, guys. So it is a trading card game. I do like the little characters. You choose your deck, conquer faction campaigns, explore dungeons for rewards, and revel in the glory of player versus player. And you can log in and register right here. You build an army of over 80 characters to choose from. Team up to defeat dungeon bosses. So there's PvP, and you could play with friends. Great stuff. You discover legendary loots as well. So I'm kind of scrolling through a little bit fast, but yeah, you have different you know, weapons, designs, costumes for your characters, and they have leaderboards as well. Leaderboards are great because, you know, there's people that do their best to always be at the top of the leaderboards, which means more and more people are playing the game to get on top of the leaderboard. And from this image right here, we could see a little bit of the gameplay as well. So looks pretty cool, man. This looks like it could be a very popular mobile game. So I'm not sure if it's a mobile and it's for a mobile and desktop, but it does look like it could be a very popular mobile game, guys, as long as the team knows what they're doing with marketing. They also have seasonal events, trade in game or on chain, complete in real-time tournaments. All very bullish stuff, man. So yeah, right here, just like I said, it's on Google Play and it's on Steam. So it is on mobile and desktop. So that is great, okay? That is great, because the more people that could have access to the game, there's people that don't like mobile, that prefer desktop, and the inverse, right? So this looks very good from what I see. And I was checking out Dex tools. It's up around 2x from the bottom. 2x from the bottom is not bad, because it's sitting at a $1 million market cap. I love that $1 million market cap entry. I love it. Anytime there is a $1 million market cap entry, sign me up, okay? Sign me up. Right here, $1.2 million in market cap. So it did make a move up. It's up 100% from the bottom, which is 2x. So maybe it retraces back down, or it continues up. Well, maybe it goes sideways from here, just like it did back here. One move up sideways, one move up sideways, and then it continues up further. That 1 million market cap entry is great. Not sure if it's listed on any exchanges. I may have to check that. 55.8k followers. Okay, so we got KKT pull up right here, guys. As you guys can see, like I said, it's up 34% on 24 hour.
and 55.8k followers on Twitter. Very active Twitter, you know, very engaged, keeping everyone updated, and you know, there's a community there. Team is building. You love to see that. Okay, if I came to the Twitter and I saw, you know, no tweets happening, I'd be like, kind of sketchy. But we see engagement happening on Twitter, and the team is updating constantly. It is listed on Bitmart after I checked CoinGecko. So yeah, 103k in 24-hour trade volume. Potential more exchange listings in the future could potentially happen for this one. If you're into Gamefi, this is probably one of those ones you take a look at. Really like what I see from KKT, guys. If you hold the project, let me get your thoughts in the comment section. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell as well. Everything KKT, Kingdom, Carnage, and myself will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what other project you would like me to check out. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.